Hey, what's happening? This is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Yeah. I went to bed around 10:30, 10:45, I'd say. And I woke up at 12:51 a.m. and I decided to stay awake so I could get a bunch of video editing done. Oh my god, I am beat. So I thought in my weakened state I would show my true power. This Maggi Pedas Giler Yummz, yo, from Malaysia. So I did the ayam bakar and that was pretty spicy, so we'll see how this treats me. I haven't done a lot of reviewing this week. I haven't even gotten the post ready for this one. I just figured, for me, it's Friday. Kind of nice to do something fun on Friday. So I'm gonna drop this in. How long we got? 3 minutes? Yeah, 3 minutes. Dropping it in the boil. I want to give a shout out to a fella named Mode from Malaysia, in Selangor, Malaysia. He sent over these noodles and some other noodles too. The new Mami Shinsegai mashup spicy stuff, which for the most part are pretty identical to Korean fire noodles, which is cool. Those are like ultra popular in like the Malaysian peninsula. That's good stuff. So yeah, any information I give out during this video should be taken with a grain of salt because I am tired. But the train keeps a rolling here on the Ramen Raider. One thing you should do, please, is go over to the Chocolate Break website. Just go to www.thechocolateBreak.com and click on any of the videos. Oh, that won't do it. See, there's a channel now for the Chocolate Break on YouTube. And it has no subscriber. So I'm hoping some of you out there will be interested in subscribing. That would be really, really cool. I've been working on the website. I've already got like 17 videos, episodes of the Chocolate Break done. So the website is now playing catch up, doing like 2 or 3 posts a week. And eventually it'll get all in sync and there'll just be 1 post a week, which I can handle, you know. But, yeah. That'll be fun. Water is cooking the noodles. And I'm going to do a spicy noodle mukbang of this after. I'm still on my diet. It's actually been going really well. But, once in a while. Once in a while. It's hard because some of these noodles I've been making recently have just been so good. I just want to eat the whole thing. No. It's a cloudy day. Very cloudy. Very rainy. Nasty weather. I love it. Makes me happy. So, now is the time Now is the time on instant noodle recipe time that we drain. Vague reference to a years gone by. Some of you will understand. Miles has had all but one day this week off. And that's been cool. We've actually been having a lot of fun. It's been nice. And, yeah. It's nice having kids that you like. I like them all. They're interesting people. Miriam has been a... Wow. Ooh. That right there smells like pretty spicy Tom Yum as it is. Smells pretty good. But, I know it's going to be pretty lethal once I add all this jazz to it. So let's go for... Just going to split them in two. Makes less mess. And we don't want a yucky mess, right, Miles? Yeah, he's feverishly building his Legos as we speak. He's gotten more and more into Frank Zappa. And I played him a song that he now has pretty much memorized called Baby Snakes. But there's a part where they repeat an expletive. And of course, since he really likes memorizing songs, he memorized that too. So it's like I'm trying to get him off of that and onto things like Going to Montana. Gonna be a dental floss tycoon, you know. It's a long song though. But then again, he likes 50-50. And he knows the words to that, that's for sure. But you know, the hits. Yellow Snow, things like that. I am so tired. I almost said I'm so sorry. I didn't do anything wrong. I was working. It's like it's afternoon. I've already been awake for 12 hours. That's productivity hard at work. The Ramen Raider way. I used to be one of those folks when I was younger. I would sleep into noon, stay up all night and party. No. Alright, so here's what we got. And before I add anything to it, I'm going to give it a taste. As you may have seen lately, most of the spicy noodle mukbangs that I've done have had additions in them. There's one coming up that won't. That's, oddly enough, guess where it's from? New Zealand. Yeah. It's called the world's hottest ramen. And it's got Carolina Reaper pepper in it. I don't know, I guess we'll see. If it is, then I'll have to redo my list. But I watched a guy eat the whole thing on a video, and guess what? Never seen anybody eat a whole pack of the 18 prohibited. 18 banned, 18 restricted. Hot and spicy. And sadly, a little bitter. don't remember, but I want to say that Ayam Bakar was that way too. Which generally, to me, means that it's probably got pepper extracts in it rather than just straight pepper. Which bums me out. I mean, pepper extracts are an easy way to go if you want to add heat. But there are downsides such as bitterness and funk. But let's gussy these up. Plate from... Oh, wow! I know these noodles are from Malaysia, but this plate is from, I don't know if you can see it, Indonesia. And these noodles are mie goreng, kind of the Indonesian favorite. I'll get off of there. Alright, so... Can you see that? Yes, you can. And you like what you see. Alright. So I got scrimp. I'm doing egg. I think I am. Where's my spoon? Spoon! Spoon! Miles! Spoon! I don't think you can hear him, but he's out there going, spoon. Let go, soft boiled egg. All right. Spoon. That's lovely. There we got some shrimp along the way. Taking a ride along with us today. Aren't you, shrimp? It's a fun thing to do. Have a little fun with shrimp. You bet you're sweet, Bippy. Yeah. A little coriander in the mix. And finally, where did you go? There you are. One of my new absolutely favorite things is this. There's a company called Fresh Gourmet, and you can find their products in the, well, in the area of a domestic American store that would have salad going on. That's crispy garlic. Now, I'm gonna pretty things up because this is kind of like blocking the shrimp a little bit. And yeah. Hey, if you follow the Facebook channel, pretty quick you're gonna start seeing a lot of videos up there. I've kind of got a groovy thing in the works, I think. So, just so you know, some interesting stuff. And more coriander. Right there. Get down. Do we need anything else? I don't believe so. So yeah, let's see. If you want to donate something to the Ramen Raider for Christmas, it's in particular for instant noodle recipe time, I want a little motorized thing so I can put a plate on it and it just automatically turns and I can play lounge music in the background so you can enjoy. I mean, is that really too much to ask? Somebody's got to have one. And no, I don't want to build one. I'm not one of those dudes. If I can get it and set it up, that's cool, but excuse me, I don't have the time or interest in the frustration. Oh yeah. Anyways. Well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. If you like this video, please click like. If you didn't like this video, then do something else. It's enjoyable to do other things, but really just watching my videos is the way to go. I added shrimp, soft egg, crispy garlic, and coriander to this one. And man, am I beat, and I'm about to beat up my body with some spicy noodles. Still burning. Keep it groovy, keep it smooth. See you on the other side. Bye.